Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: monotone paint application, touring suspension, blacktop package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss black rear fascia applique black headlamp bezels gloss black grille gloss black exterior mirrors, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, granite pearl coat, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth